In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing or not visible Google Drive files. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. Grab your favorite web browser and type in the address for Google Drive to ensure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're there, take a deep breath. We're on the right path to finding those elusive files. Now, let's check the bin. Look for the bin or trash icon in the left sidebar of your screen. This is where Google Drive sends files that you might have accidentally deleted. It's quite common for files to end up here, so don't panic just yet. Click on that icon and let's see what's inside. Once you're in the bin, you might spot your missing file hanging out there. If you do find it, don't worry. All you need to do is right-click on that file and select the Restore option. Voila, the file will be returned to its original location, just like magic. But let's say you didn't find it right away. No need for alarm. While you're still in the bin, there's a handy tool we can use, the Modified tab at the top of the page. Click on that, and it will organize the files by the date they were last modified. This is particularly useful because it can help you surface files that were deleted recently. You'd be surprised how often we overlook things that were just deleted a few days back. Now, if you're still on a mission and want to dig a little deeper, you can also filter the results by time frame. Look for the drop-down menu under the Modified tab. You can set specific periods, such as the last 7 days or the last 30 days. Plus, if you're on the hunt for something older, you can even set a custom date range. This flexibility can be a lifesaver if you're searching for something a bit further back in time. After you've done that, here's a little extra tip to make your search easier. You can also organize the results alphabetically. Just click on the name column. This is especially helpful if you're looking for a specific file but aren't sure when it was modified. Sorting alphabetically gives you a clearer view and can make it much easier to spot that elusive document that you might have overlooked earlier. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to track down those missing or not visible Google Drive files in no time. Remember, technology can sometimes be tricky, but with a little patience and the right approach, you can find what you're looking for. Thanks for tuning in. If these tips helped, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and keeps us bringing you valuable content. Happy searching, and I'll see you in the next video.